Oh my god. I swear to you guys, it's silent for hours. And the minute that I'm like, I'm gonna start filming, everything starts happening on the street. And I am so done. So done. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Issa, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. What's up, guys? If you've been here for a while, or at least my last few videos, you will know that I was complaining about not feeling like summer in the city. I'm in New York right now, and it was kind of gloomy, it was raining, and it wasn't so hot, so I was complaining about it, and now the weather is summery, and I am sweating so much. But there's sun and I can wear shorts without feeling a little freezy at night, so everything is good in the world. Now that the weather is a lot hotter, I have kind of been doing the same makeup look. So I've like fallen into a routine and I've been doing a makeup look that is super easy, it's simple, it's quick, and most importantly, withstands the heat. Because it's super hot, I'm sweating all day, and I need something that, you know, it might slide around and like, you know, smudge a little, but it will still look good at the end of the day, and that is, you know, that's what I need, and that's what I've been doing, and I wanted to share this with you because I know that there are people out there who would really appreciate it. So today, I decided to dub the look that I've been doing a lot my go-to summer makeup look. Simple, easy, quick, and film it for you guys so that you guys can do the same for yourselves. And now, as I say that the sun is coming back, the sun is leaving me. Wow. If you want to know how I got this super easy, simple look that is perfect for the heat, then make sure to keep watching and subscribe if you're into super simple and easy makeup and beauty content. I do that every week. And if you've already done that and you're ready to move on to, you know, what's on my face, let's get going. I'm starting out with my Cover FX mattifying primer, and I'm just applying this all over my face to keep the oily skin at bay, my friends. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden, and I'm priming both my eyes and then setting it with some setting powder. And after I set my primer, I'm using the Joa Maker Jealous eyeliner in brown, and I'm just running this on the outer third of like my tight line. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create like a tiny wing using the eyeliner. I'm just running it along messily throughout my entire eyelid and then creating kind of like a shitty wing, and I'm going to sharpen it with my nail. It's kind of weird. And once my tiny wings look like I want them to look, I'm going in with the Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes Mascara, and I'm applying a lot of this to my eyes. I'm applying a lot more on the like outer half of my lashes to make my eyes look a lot more elongated and follow that wing. But yeah, just adding a lot of mascara. Next, I'm going in with this Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Makeup sunscreen thing. I don't know what exactly it is, but I'm using it as my base all over the face. Has a lot of SPF, and I'm applying it with my hands, just smoothing it out and making sure everything is covered. To conceal the under eyes, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm applying very light layers because I don't want it to look heavy. I don't want it to cake up when I'm sweating. So I'm using a little bit at a time and adding more where I feel like I need to. And then I'm going in with a beauty blender and just pouncing it everywhere to make everything look as seamless as possible. I'm using my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in Baked all over my high points of the cheeks just to make myself look a lot more bronzed. I'm a little tan, but I want to make myself look even tanner. So I'm just applying this everywhere you normally apply bronzer with a synthetic brush. And when I'm done with all of the cream products, I'm using the Cover FX Matte Setting Powder in Light, and I'm just applying this to the under eyes and my T-zone to make sure nothing creases throughout the day. I will get oily because it's summer and it is hot outside, but this will help me prevent that as much as possible. For brows, I'm keeping it simple. I'm using my Milk Makeup Kush Brow Gel in Grind and just running this along the brows. It makes them look very defined, but it's really easy to apply it and it looks fab, so that's what I'm doing right now. Next, I'm going in with the Too Faced Love Flush Blush in Love Hangover. I would normally use a cream blush, but I'm trying to use this up this year, so I'm trying to use it as much as possible. So I've incorporated it into my routine, and I am applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Nothing very special. And to set everything, I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray and just spritzing this all over my face. Now for lips, I'm using the YSL Volupte Plump in Color in number 4, which smells exactly like Mexican candy. But honestly, you can apply whichever color you want. This look is very, very easy and very neutral. So you can go ahead and just use whatever you want for the lips. After the lips are done, this is the final look. I really love how fresh it looks. The eyes look very elongated. The lip makes it look fun. It's just super simple and easy and fresh. And anyways, you guys, that is it. That is the finished look. I told you it was going to be super simple, easy, and quick, and I really, really love how it, elongates my eyes. There's a truck outside that will not shut up, and I've been trying to film this outro, for 40 minutes, and it's not happening, so please bear with me, because the sounds of the city are they're killing me, basically. They're killing me. But yeah, I've just been wearing this look a lot. Felt the urge to film it for you guys. So if you enjoyed it and you liked the look, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. You guys always give me feedback with that, so it's super easy and helpful for me. And again, if you're into super easy and real makeup content, make sure to subscribe. I post exactly that every single week. I also have a blog, an Instagram, and everything. This is my shameless plug time, so I will leave all of that below in the little description bar, so make sure to go give that a look if you want to follow me anywhere else. I am a mess. And with that, I think it is time to close the video. Thank you so much for watching and for clicking. I am eternally grateful, and I love you, and the truck will never shut up, so I will see you in my next one, guys. Bye! Mwah.